Greetings, loyal subscribers. So look what I ran into. Good old engine 7 retired a year ago. It's a 1993 Pierce. Served as engine 7 for about 10 years. Served as engine 1 for about 10 years. 20 years in service. Served the city of Beverly Hills for over 20 years. Well, here it is parked in a lot right in the outskirts of the city. Really missed these rigs when they were in service. Beauty. Can't believe I found this. When I first saw this, I'm like, holy crap. Like, I couldn't believe I saw this thing. I'm like, I thought it was history. I thought I'd never see it again. But, it's here parked right now. The other pump is still here intact. The number used to be right there. Yeah, it's good old Detroit, isn't it? Used to be houses over here. All empty. Still has the logos and engine 7, but the world famous Beverly Hills logo is not there anymore. Anyway, it was great to see this. Don't know where engine 6 and engine 8, the old ones, retired. I don't know where they are, but glad to find this piece of history.